Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. I am so happy that you are here today because this lesson may change the way you think about learning English forever. Before we begin, I want to ask you a few simple questions. Have you ever understood an English video but felt unable to answer when someone spoke to you? Have you ever known the right words, but they disappeared the moment you wanted to speak? Have you ever promised yourself, "Tomorrow I will practice English," but tomorrow never came? And have you ever looked at someone speaking English fluently and wondered, "Why can't I do that?" If you answered yes to even one of these questions, then this lesson is especially for you. First of all, I want you to stop believing one big lie. The lie is that only talented people can speak English fluently. That is simply not true. Fluency is not a gift. It is a habit. It is something you build day by day with small actions. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't begin with grammar books. They don't memorize thousands of vocabulary words before speaking. They listen, they watch, they copy, they make mistakes, they laugh, they try again. Slowly, without even realizing it, they become fluent. Now ask yourself this question: why should learning English be any different? The best way to improve your English speaking is not to study more. It is to speak more. Even if your sentences are short, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, even if you make mistakes every single day, every time you speak, your brain becomes a little stronger. Every sentence you say creates a new pathway in your mind. Every mistake teaches your brain something valuable. Imagine that your English is like a small plant. If you water it once a month, it will never grow. But if you give it a little water every day, even just a few drops, one morning you will notice that it has become strong and beautiful. Your English works exactly the same way. Many learners spend years collecting grammar rules, like people collecting books they never read. They know hundreds of rules but cannot introduce themselves with confidence. Knowledge alone is not enough. Practice is what changes everything. I remember meeting a student who was afraid to speak even one sentence in English. Every time she opened her mouth, she worried about making mistakes. She believed everyone would laugh at her, so I gave her one simple challenge. Every morning, she had to stand in front of a mirror and speak English for only 5 minutes. Not 10, not 30, just 5 minutes. On the first day, she could only say, "Good morning. My name is Sarah. Today I feel happy." She repeated those sentences again and again. It sounded strange. It felt uncomfortable. But she continued. After 1 week, she was speaking for 7 minutes without stopping. After 1 month, she could describe her day. After 3 months, she was telling stories. What changed? Her vocabulary? Only a little. Her grammar? A little. But her confidence changed completely. Confidence grows through action, not through waiting. Many people say, "I will speak English when I become confident." But the truth is exactly the opposite. You become confident because you speak English. Waiting for confidence before speaking is like waiting to become strong before going to the gym. It never happens. Action comes first. Confidence comes later. Another mistake many learners make is translating every sentence from their native language into English. Imagine driving a car while constantly looking in the rearview mirror. Would you enjoy the journey? Probably not. That is exactly what translation does. It slows your thinking. Instead, begin connecting English words directly to pictures, emotions, and experiences. When you hear the word apple, Don't think of the word in your own language. See a red apple in your mind. When you hear the word rain, imagine standing outside while tiny drops fall from the sky. When you hear happy, remember your happiest memory. Your brain learns much faster through images than through translation. Now let me share a small daily habit that can transform your English. Choose one simple topic every day. For example, your breakfast, then talk about it in English. I woke up at 7. I made tea. I ate bread and eggs. The weather was nice. I listened to music. Don't worry if your sentences are simple. Simple English spoken every day is far more powerful than difficult English spoken once a month. Your voice is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Silence never creates fluency. Speaking does. Sometimes you will forget words. That is normal. Sometimes you will pronounce something incorrectly. That is normal. Sometimes you will stop in the middle of a sentence because you don't know what to say. That is normal too. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. They are people who continue speaking even after making mistakes. That is the secret. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is. Remember this every time you practice. Your goal today is not to sound like a native speaker. Your goal is to express one more idea than yesterday. That small improvement, repeated every day, creates amazing results. So starting today, make yourself one promise. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you know every grammar rule. Don't wait until your vocabulary feels big enough. Start speaking today. Speak while walking. Speak while cooking. Speak while cleaning your room. Speak while looking into a mirror. Speak to your phone. Speak to yourself. Every word you speak is another step toward fluency. And one day, without even noticing exactly when it happened, you will find yourself having a conversation in English with confidence. You won't be thinking about grammar anymore. You won't be translating anymore. You will simply be speaking. And that is the beautiful moment every English learner dreams about. Now, I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine that 1 year from today, you wake up in the morning. You open your phone and watch an English video. This time, you understand almost everything. Later, someone asks you a question in English, and instead of feeling nervous, you answer with a smile. Your words come out naturally. You are not searching for every sentence in your mind. You are simply communicating. How would that feel? Exciting? Peaceful? Maybe even unbelievable? The beautiful thing is that this future is possible. Not because you are lucky. Not because you are naturally talented. It is possible because every fluent speaker started exactly where you are today. Every confident speaker was once afraid. Every smooth conversation began with broken sentences. Every success started with one small step. Never compare your first chapter with someone else's 20th chapter. Everyone has a different journey, but everyone reaches the destination by taking one step at a time. One of the biggest secrets to improving your English speaking is learning to enjoy the process. Many learners treat English like a difficult school subject. They sit at a desk, open a grammar book, and force themselves to study for hours. After a few days, they feel tired and lose motivation. Instead, make English part of your daily life. If you enjoy music, listen to English songs. If you enjoy cooking, watch recipes in English. If you love traveling, watch travel videos. If you enjoy sports, listen to sports interviews. Learning becomes much easier when you connect English with something you already love. Your brain remembers information better when emotions are involved. That is why you probably remember your favorite movie, your favorite song, or a funny conversation from years ago. The experience was emotional, so your brain decided it was important. Co-create those same emotional experiences with English. Laugh while learning, smile while speaking. Be curious. Celebrate every small success. Another habit that can completely change your speaking ability is reading aloud. Many people read silently, but silent reading does not train your mouth. When you read aloud, your eyes, your brain, your ears, and your mouth begin working together. At first, it may feel slow. Some words may be difficult to pronounce. That is perfectly normal. Take your time. Write one sentence, pause. Write it again. Focus on speaking clearly instead of speaking quickly. Speed comes naturally after clarity. Never rush your progress. A tree does not become tall overnight. It grows little by little. Day after day, your English grows the same way. Sometimes you may feel that you are not improving. You practice every day, but you still make mistakes. You still hesitate. You still forget words. During those moments, do not quit. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. At first, it feels impossible. You lose balance. You fall. You become frustrated. But after enough practice, something amazing happens. One day, you stop thinking about balancing. Your body simply knows what to do. Speaking English works in exactly the same way. Today, you think carefully before every sentence. Tomorrow, you will think a little less. One day, your words will flow naturally because your brain has practiced enough. Consistency always wins. Even 15 minutes every day is more powerful than studying for 5 hours once a month. Small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results. I also want you to stop being afraid of forgetting words. Many learners panic when they cannot remember a vocabulary word. But forgetting is a normal part of learning. In fact, every time you forget a word and learn it again, your memory becomes stronger. So instead of saying, "I forgot the word," say, "Now I have another chance to remember it." That small change in thinking can make a huge difference. Your mindset matters. If you believe learning English is impossible, every mistake feels like proof that you cannot do it. But if you believe learning English is a journey, every mistake becomes another lesson that moves you forward. Choose the second mindset. Be patient with yourself. Speak kindly to yourself. Encourage yourself the way you would encourage a good friend. Imagine your best friend is learning English. Would you laugh at every mistake? Of course not. You would probably smile and say, "Keep going. You're getting better." Now say those same words to yourself. You deserve your own encouragement. Another wonderful exercise is describing everything around you. Look around your room right now. Maybe there is a chair. Describe it. The chair is brown. It is next to the window. I usually sit there in the evening. Now describe your table, describe your phone, describe the weather, describe your clothes, describe your plans for tomorrow. The more you describe ordinary things, the easier it becomes to speak about bigger topics. Fluency begins with simple conversations. Do not underestimate the power of simple sentences. Simple sentences build strong habits. Strong habits build confidence. Confidence builds fluency. There is another important lesson I want to share with you. Stop chasing perfection. Perfection is a moving target. No matter how much you improve, you will always find something that could be better. Instead, chase progress. Ask yourself only one question at the end of each day. Did I practice today? If the answer is yes, then celebrate. That means you are moving forward. Remember, every minute you spend speaking English is an investment in your future. You are not wasting time. You are building a skill that can open doors to new friendships, better jobs, exciting travel experiences, and endless opportunities to learn from people around the world. English is more than a language. It is a bridge. A bridge that connects you with new ideas, different cultures, inspiring stories, and millions of people you have never met. Every sentence you practice is another step across that bridge. So keep walking. Even if your steps are small, even if the road feels long. One day, you will look back and realize that the person who was once afraid to speak English has become someone who speaks with confidence, smiles during conversations, and enjoys every opportunity to communicate. And when that day comes, you will be proud, not because the journey was easy, but because you never gave up. Your future fluent self is already waiting for you. Every practice session brings you one step closer to becoming that person. So believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep speaking one sentence at a time.